What's driving the need for greater connectivity in the DC is that every minute counts inside the distribution center. So you want to make sure it's working at peak efficiency. You want to know if there's assets that are failing so that you can address that before they cause any downtime. You also want to know how the flow of product through your building is going to affect you reaching your goals day in and day out. Every DC operator has a goal that they have to hit that day. So if there's any downtime, if there's any asset issues, if there's any productivity issues with workers, that's all going to affect their ability to hit that goal at the end of the day. Customers face challenges in utilization based on flow through the building. So keeping the building balanced and ensuring that waves are coming up at the same time to main merge points or to sortation. There's enough staff to take the product off the sortation system, and just keeping things flowing smoothly to get the most out of the building that day. The most important thing in a building is to understand your key performance indicators. So that might be, your goals for the day. So we're connecting data from assets, supervisory, and control systems to help them identify bottlenecks within their operation. It could be very exciting. If you look at a typical DC, it's running 200 cartons a minute. If that distribution center could output 1% more each day, that could end up being millions of dollars of extra revenue at the end of the year. Honeywell Intelligrated is connecting assets, data from supervisory systems, data from control systems to help customers understand the bottlenecks within their buildings. So what we're seeing is an opportunity where a customer with multiple facilities could actually delay building a new distribution center. So they're getting data that allows them to see if the building's balanced. They may need to move labor from the picking areas to the shipping areas to make sure that you're getting out what you're putting in. The customers seem most excited about the efficiency inside the building. How are they better planning? How are they better balancing? How are they better utilizing their labor? So today, a lot of customers have data in disparate sources, so it's hard to look at the data as an aggregate and make good decisions on it. They don't have enough visibility and control. When you're looking at transient data day in and day out, you might not notice a repetitive issue that's happening. So a great example are jams on a sorter. So you'd want to look at jams on a sorter and say, are the number of jams I'm having increasing or decreasing over time, so that I can go and take action and try to find the root cause of why are we seeing this escalated issue. With another one of our customers, we're monitoring data around their critical path shipping sortation system. So we're looking at balance at their major merge points. We're looking at flow through their sortation system. We're looking at error counts and KPIs that are going to lead to them getting the most productivity out of the sorter. So we've already identified a few key KPIs such as scanner read rate, bad gap percentages that are too high that we would consider opportunities that need to be addressed. So once those are addressed, we expect a double-digit percentage growth of output of the sortation system. So what we're seeing with a customer that has multiple facilities, if we can provide them that extra 1% of output across all of their existing facilities, they could actually delay building a new center to service their customers with the efficiencies gained in existing centers. So the connected DC can help increase reliability and maximize uptime by giving you visibility to what's going on inside the four walls.